Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a challenge. We have here collegiate superstar.
What's up, everybody?
Justin Bohn. His dad's actually back, hanging out. Hall of Fame. Just chilling.
Just chilling back.
All right, so today we're gonna do a 2-game challenge, kind of like we did on Tang v Tang 7. So the first video is gonna be on my channel. The second, there's gonna be a little bit of a twist for game 2. So make sure you guys go check out Justin's channel. Make sure you subscribe, follow along. The video should go live at the same time, so make sure you check out both parts. So game 1, we're just gonna bowl a regular game. 2 game total, yes sir. We're gonna let the challenge be a secret. You're gonna have to go check out Justin's challenge to find out our channel. Yeah. Okay.
What he said.
Yeah.
So I've heard that we've got some interesting ways of determining who goes first in this challenge, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple.
I've heard chapstick.
We've got a screwdriver this time, so whatever side the pointy end points is who goes first. That's all you, man. Line me up.
Already.
Give me the ball in hand every time. I told you that wasn't the ball.
It was close.
Guys, I don't know what ball to throw. I'm gonna let you choose.
I say go for the Helios.
The orange one?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Not Hall of Fame spare shooting right there. Right?
That one's gonna take time.
I don't know. It was pretty close.
I'm gonna make my excuses now. I'm not gonna post a shot today. Yesterday was leg day. It's not peak soreness yet. That's gonna be tomorrow probably, but I hit pretty good. What's that?
This should be a walk in the park if you're already sitting down after frame up.
No, I'm just tired. I'm trying to stay behind. How long before he makes a ball change? Oh, he hooked it again! My comment section always tells Jesse to hook the spares. I guess it's a little different for Justin though.
Justin over here gets trained by this man over here.
Do you usually throw a straight or hook at your spare?
I normally shoot all of my spares straight.
So it's just because we're bowling on the China.
Yeah.
Hey, let me know in the comments if you hook your spares or throw them straight.
Don't worry, that's coming up.
Oh. He had about twice as much practice as I did. Although I worried a little bit. Oh. Feel loose, guys. I'm lying. I need to get them all. I need all the hand I can get. It's the reason why I'm 6-1 on my channel against Mikey. There's still no ball change. Wow. Dad's over here in the back, shaking his head. It's a Hall of Fame head nod. Oh. Oh. Soccer coach ball rep. Whenever I gotta change ball, let me know.
It's got the advantage.
It doesn't count.
So I'm bowling on that side. It's like 2 completely different bowling centers.
It's true.
Not the same. I gotta change the phrase to I hate league on the low end of South Point. Is it good? Yeah. Oh, nice.
That was a lot better. What do you think? Yeah, that was a lot better. That was a lot better?
We got some fans in the back.
Fans. Yeah, that's gonna be very crucial for the challenge later.
Yeah.
Again, check out Justin's channel for part 2. I'm wearing long sleeves underneath long sleeves. I think I made a really bad decision. I also have the Idol Helios, which is hot like the sun. I'll post one eventually.
The legs just gotta warm up. They just take twice as long.
Yeah, I'm old. I'm getting old.
Getting old.
You can't say old.
I'm getting old. I'm like 10 years older than him.
You're about 30 behind the guy behind us. That's all it is. This bowling thing. It's just mental game. It's all up here. It's all about how you can get in their heads.
He doesn't want the pullover to come off. Come on, make it exciting. Because I don't think he's gonna miss it.
Hey, you can't get no culture from your dad.
No. He's just sitting in the back. I don't need no ball rep for this. Ball on the house China. Definitely is truth to that.
This is the first double. I haven't opened yet. It's really close.
How you feeling right now, Darren?
I'm feeling hot, sweaty. His mask isn't helping. His hat's not helping. Nothing's helping. but I did it to myself.
You do have a lot of layers on.
I do.
A lot.
Oh. Oh. I don't know why you didn't start with that ball.
Three. That's 3 in a row.
You know what helped, Darren?
A ball change?
Ball change.
For real?
No.
On the strike?
No.
We have a game.
I was just making sure it stayed close. You know, exciting matches are what we will look for. Who cares if there are high scores if only one of them is high? Oh my goodness. So I asked him at the beginning of this thing before we started filming if he made the permanent switch. And he said yes.
Yes.
And he explained to me why.
That right there is the prime reason why
No.
I made the switch.
Yeah, you don't get that with one hand for some of the ball. He might have left the 7 pin with it.
Guys, I've seen your carry this game.
Well, it's okay.
I have all the confidence in the world that the challenge is going to turn out in my favor. All the confidence.
I don't know, man. If he's got to throw that scorpion ball. 0 for 3. Oh! I don't even know what to expect. Like sometimes I see someone throw a shot, I'm like, that ain't striking. Hits the pin, doesn't strike. But when, you know, like a Velmo or a Kyle Troop or a Simo or a Justin Bohn, there's a shot, you just don't know what pin can come out of what atmosphere, what galaxy,
There were
universe.
like 8 of them coming at it.
What do I do, guys? Do I strike on this next one? Oh, is it gonna overhook? Oh!
2 frames, 2.5 frames left in game number 1. I am looking down 7, possibly down 17.
Basically, I can bowl 260, he can bowl 230. We're really bad about showing the scores on my channel. When you watch his, it'll be crystal clear.
The scores will be a lot better on mine. Looking for the hambo. Oh no!
I had some two-handed hand in that one.
I am really glad that he decided to try and add some fingers to it because if not, he would have been up a lot. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, getting lucky. God, you almost tried to give me a double chance.
Come on, there's no luck involved there. It's fair.
All right, gave me enough of a chance there. Put one up on the board here tonight and make him work for it.
This is how I train. I try to keep matches close when they don't really matter as much. Although I'm starting to feel like YouTube matters more than anything else because you guys give me a hard time. So maybe I should start trying.
That was a balance, that one.
I can't feel my legs right now. Leave me alone. How many want to balance?
Okay, that's all him. We'll leave that one. Definitely hit that one a little harder. Stay down with that one.
This is why I don't like league. I make a 1-board move and it makes like a 3-board difference.
You move 3 boards and it's like a 1-board difference.
Yeah, you move 3 as a lefty, you pick 3 with the left.
You can't be picking on left-handers. One of the best of all time sitting in the back.
Alright, I have the lead for now, but he can take it with a double.
An opportunity to lock up game number 1 here.
I'm all about the spares, brother. Oh, why?
Exactly. I don't blame you.
Hey. Whoa, 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 whoa.
The guy misses by 14 right and gets away with it? Are you kidding me?
How do you feel about that, Dad?
That was ridiculous.
So you were asking me.
That's ridiculous.
You were asking me why. You were asking me why.
You don't need to tell me
I
why.
use 2 hands.
You don't need to tell me why.
That right there is why I use 2 hands.
I'm gonna need one of those on my next shot. Prove the haters wrong.
That one was a lot better.
That's what good bowlers do. They take advantage of the breaks. Oh. Alright, next pitch.
You are so lucky.
What do we think about that?
Wait, say that again?
32 on the board.
Well, you scored 232, but that first one in a 10th, it should have given you
Is that a good house shot game? I don't think so.
What did you do that?
I think too much when I bowl in the China.
Kenny said he wants to go get some food.
If there's ever been a no-doubter in my mind, it was those last 2. Coach, I don't think you picked the right one. It only got me 228 points.
He would have probably scored about 5 more points and he would be It's a good first game.
Ah, all right. They're nice and close.
Nice and close.
Nice. All right, I think it's time, guys. I'm down by 4. The score is 232 JB, 228 D-Tang. I flushed every single one of the 10, by the way. But we all know that doesn't matter. All that matters is what happens up there.
All that matters, it doesn't matter how. It's just how many, right? That's
That's right.
Exactly right.
Yeah, so that was literally the difference between a one-handed and a two-handed game.
Yeah.
But anyways, thanks for watching part 1. Part 2, we have a little bit of a twist on this next game. Make sure you follow Justin's channel, hit the sub button, and head on over there to watch part 2.
Absolutely. See you later. Peace.